Welcome to Farm Documentaries, where we embark on a journey into the wonderful world of plant propagation. In today's episode, we are diving into the process of planting Napier grass, also known as elephant grass or Uganda grass, using cuttings. Let's get started. To begin, gather the following materials and tools. Napier grass cuttings. For these, opt for healthy stems measuring about 1 to 2 feet. You also need essential garden tools like a shovel, hoe or rake, organic compost or well-rotted manure, and a watering can or hose. Step 1. Select and prepare the site. Choose a well-drained area basking in sunlight, as Napier grass thrives in full sun. Clear the area of any weeds and debris to provide the optimal environment for your new plants. Now, let's move on to step 2, preparing the soil. Use a shovel, hoe, or rake to loosen the soil to a depth of 6 to 8 inches. Enhance soil fertility by incorporating organic compost or well-rotted manure. Step 3. Cutting preparation. Select healthy Napier grass stems free from diseases and pests. Cut the stems into sections, each 1 to 2 feet long, ensuring each cutting has at least 1 or 2 nodes. The nodes are the key areas for leaves and roots to emerge. Moving on to step 4, planting the cuttings. Insert the Napier grass cuttings into the soil at a depth of 4 to 6 inches. Leaving 1 or 2 nodes above the soil. Space the cuttings 1 to 2 feet apart for optimal growth. Step 5. Watering. Immediately after planting, give your cuttings a good watering to help settle the soil around them. Keep the soil consistently moist during the establishment period, but be mindful to avoid waterlogging. As an option in step 6, consider mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the cutting. Can help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Moving along to step 7, caring for the growing plants. Napier grass is relatively low maintenance. Water the plant during dry periods and provide occasional fertilization if needed. Periodic pruning will encourage bushy growth and allow you to harvest leaves for feeding livestock. And finally, step 8, harvesting. Once your Napier reaches a height of 5 to 6 feet, usually that is 1.5 to 1.8 meters, you can begin harvesting the leaves for feeding animals. Remember, local conditions and specific varieties of Napier grass may influence the success of planting from cuttings. It's always a good idea to consult with local agricultural experts for advice tailored to your region. Stay tuned for more episodes on plant propagation here on Farm Documentaries. Happy growing!